The biggest story in the currency market today is the rise of risk assets, especially the Australian dollar, which is enjoying its best levels in more than a month, above the 69 level. There really isn't any news to make it rise today, but the big story today is just kind of relief of the fact that we are getting rid of a lot of very key risks that have bothered the markets for the past month or so. Specifically, the US-China trade story seems to have found an uneasy but at least a stable truce at this point, and that's certainly helping the Australian dollar. The other thing that's helping the Australian dollar is the fact that Brexit is no longer an existential threat. Over the weekend, the UK Parliament has essentially agreed to create either a delay in the deal or a full vote on the deal as we go forward this week. So at this point, a hard knockout Brexit that would leave UK alone without any kind of a customs union with the EU is no longer a problem, and that's providing a lot of a lift to risk appetite as we go forward. Now, what's interesting about the risk currencies is they tend to really lead risk flows in other markets going forward. And right now, both the Australian dollar and the Kiwi dollar are really suggesting and signaling that perhaps there could be another round of buying in equities, especially if the Australian dollar can clear the 69 level through the 69.50 towards the 70. That would suggest that the S&P could maybe go towards fresh all-time highs as the markets really begin to calm down and investors return back to trading risk flows into the end of 2019. This is Boris Schlossberg from NYMEX, and that's the biggest story in the currency market today.